Here's a fun fact about bats. Bats are the only mammals that can truly fly. Unlike flying squirrels or flying lemurs, which can glide but not fly in the true sense, bats have wings made of skin and muscle stretched over elongated fingers, giving them the ability to fly like birds. Now, let's dive into some more amazing facts about bats. Bats are incredible insect control. Bats play a crucial role in controlling insect populations. A single bat can consume thousands of insects in one night, including mosquitoes, moths, and beetles. This makes them natural pest controllers, helping to reduce the need for chemical pesticides. In some areas, bats have even been used in eco-friendly pest management programs. There are over 1,400 species of bats. Bats are incredibly diverse, and there are more than 1,400 species of bats worldwide, making them the second largest order of mammals, after rodents. They come in all shapes and sizes, from the tiny bumblebee bat, which is the smallest mammal in the world, to the massive giant golden-crowned flying fox, which has a wingspan of up to 5.6 feet, 1.7 meters. Bats use echolocation. Many species of bats, particularly microbats, use echolocation to navigate and hunt in the dark. By emitting high-frequency sound waves, they can see their surroundings through the echoes that bounce back. This allows them to hunt for insects even in total darkness. They have extremely sensitive ears that can detect the returning echoes, and their brain processes this information to create a mental map of the environment. Bats are vital to pollination. Bats aren't just insect eaters, they're also important pollinators. Certain species of bats, particularly the nectar-feeding bats, like the fruit bat or nectar bat, help pollinate flowers and trees, much like bees do. In fact, bats are essential to the pollination of many tropical fruits such as mangoes, bananas, and avocados. They're also responsible for pollinating the agave plant, which is used to make tequila. Bats can live long lives despite their small size. Bats have relatively long lifespans for mammals. Some species of bats can live up to 30 years, and the record for the longest-lived bat is a little brown bat, which lived for over 40 years in captivity. Bats' ability to live long lives can be attributed to their low metabolic rates during hibernation, as well as their relatively low risk of predation. Bats can hibernate in colder climates. Some species of bats hibernate through the winter. During hibernation, their metabolism slows down dramatically, allowing them to survive for months without eating. They huddle together in caves, attics, or other sheltered places, entering a state of torpor, a form of deep hibernation. This helps them conserve energy while waiting for the warmer months when food becomes more abundant. Bats have social structures. While some bat species are solitary, many live in large, social groups called colonies. These colonies can be massive, sometimes consisting of millions of bats. Some species of bats, like the Mexican free-tailed bat, live in enormous colonies that can number in the millions of individuals. These large groups help bats find mates, protect each other from predators, and create warmth during colder months. Bats have unique roosting habits. Bats are nocturnal, meaning they are most active at night, and they roost during the day. Their roosting spots are often caves, hollow trees, or even the eaves of buildings. Some bat species are known to roost in large groups, while others prefer to roost alone. They tend to roost in areas where they are protected from predators and the elements, like the dark recesses of caves or the hidden corners of attics. Bats can eat a lot depending on the species. A bat can eat up to half its body weight in food every night. Most bats feed on insects, but fruit bats, also called flying foxes, are known for eating fruit, nectar, and pollen. For example, a single little brown bat can eat around 1,000 mosquito-sized insects per hour. This massive appetite helps them keep insect populations under control. Bats are not blind. Contrary to the myth that bats are blind, most bats actually have functional eyes and can see quite well, especially in low-light conditions. While they rely heavily on echolocation to navigate and hunt at night, many bat species have good vision and can see in dim lighting, which aids them in locating food and avoiding obstacles. Bats are truly fascinating creatures that play vital roles in our ecosystems, from pest control to pollination. Their unique adaptations, like echolocation and their ability to hibernate, make them incredibly interesting and important animals in the animal kingdom. Despite being misunderstood by many, bats are essential for maintaining the balance of nature. Bat.